Welcome to the in front of me Honor X7, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring and notifications volume panel. Just to change to mute notifications, you should hold and swipe to the left side of this volume panel with your finger. But by this way you will mute not only ringtones but also the not only notifications but also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only notifications on your smartphone, just unmute this volume panel and go to this notification tone, and after that just switch your currently notification sound to none, and that's it. After that you will just mute the notification sounds, notification tones, and you will stay with the ringtones, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.